Hi, welcome to your quick guide on the Aero Product Variant Options app, your easiest way to delight customers with more choices and a personalized shopping experience. The first thing you need to do is enable the app embed from your Shopify theme editor. This makes sure all the options you create show up on your storefront. Just toggle it on, save your changes, and you're ready to start customizing. Next, head over to the Options section. Here you'll see a variety of fields you can use. Just pick the ones that fit your product best. Whether it's a drop-down, checkbox, text box, or something more advanced, the choice is completely yours. Once you've set your options, move to the Products tab to assign them to the right items in your store. That way, every product gets the perfect set of options your customers expect. Want to charge an extra price? Simply use the Price add-on field. For example, add an extra $5 for gift wrapping or $10 for engraving. It's that easy. Need smarter control? Just enable conditional logic. For example, add a simple yes or no field. If the customer selects yes, a text box will instantly appear for them to fill in. You can also use one field to create multiple option paths, keeping your product page clean and personalized. And if design matters to you, head over to the Appearance section. From styling fields to tweaking layouts, you can fully customize the look and feel of your options. Plus, for advanced users, there's custom CSS and custom JS to fine-tune everything. Short on time? No worries. Choose from our pre-designed templates to speed things up. You can customize them later if you'd like, but they'll save you tons of effort when getting started. The best part? You can preview everything live before publishing, so you know exactly what your customers will see. That's it. With Aero Product Variant Options, giving customers endless choices and boosting your sales has never been easier.